Hi, this is tutorial video number 7, and it's on baselining and transitioning your schedule into preliminary design. This tutorial video will present 1. How to baseline the schedule, and 2. How to transfer the project schedule into preliminary design. A schedule baseline is a snapshot of your project schedule and is a useful way of gauging how well your project is progressing. You are ready to baseline your schedule once you have 1. Saved the schedule to the initiation phase scheduling folder in ProjectWise. 2. Attributed the Microsoft project file. 3. Completed the project summary. 4. Entered project permits in accordance with the PNDF. 5. Revised the task durations to the best of your abilities. 6. Received RPM approval. 7. Funding and authorization has been secured. And then 8. The project has been added to the application plan and a ProjectWise project container has been created. Once all of this has been done, you should baseline the schedule to capture the design approval and FTP dates that were approved at the RPM. For this example, let's say I've completed all of the prerequisites and I'm now ready to baseline my schedule. To baseline your schedule, you select the Project tab, click the Set Baseline button in the Schedule ribbon, and click Set Baseline. Then click OK. To view the baseline, click the View tab, and then select the Gantt Chart drop-down button in the Task Views ribbon and select Tracking Gantt. This view allows you to compare your current schedule to your baseline. There are other views such as the Calendar view and the Network view that you should take some time to explore. After the baseline is set and the project initiation phase is complete, the project enters the preliminary design phase. When a project enters preliminary design, the schedule file must be transferred from the initiation phase folder into the new project container's 140 project administration folder. For example, my project initiation phase is now complete, so I save my file and close. Now I browse to my schedule in the initiation phase scheduling folder and I check in the file. Then I right-click on the file and select Cut. I then navigate to my project container's 140 project administration folder. I right-click in the area to the right and select Paste. And then I click Yes. Note that during this step, you should be pasting the file to your respective project container. The project now has an official project number and is transferring to a new project lead unit. Therefore, I have to update the file attributes. To update existing attributes, I right-click on the file and select Properties. I click the Attributes tab and assign Bridge Consultant Design as the new project lead. I then update the project number cell and click Save. If you plan to export and combine your file, it may be a good step to click the General tab and rename the document. I'll name mine Project 0001-0999 Schedule. Then I click Save, and then Close. Next, I double-click the file to open the schedule. I go to the File tab, click the Project Information drop-down, and if needed, I revise the title cell, Project Manager cell, and any additional information. I then click OK. The schedule has now been transferred into preliminary design. If it hasn't already happened, the new project lead unit should be notified that the schedule has been transferred and that the project manager has been reassigned. This concludes tutorial 7. Hopefully you now have a better idea of how to baseline your schedule and how to transfer the schedule into preliminary design. Please proceed to tutorial video 8 to learn how to maintain and re-baseline your schedule.